I'm Dr. Angela DeRosa, aka Dr. Hot Flash, and I'm on a mission to change the face of women's health and wellness. In the next hot minute, we're going to tackle that dreaded weight loss. Is your metabolism slower than it used to be? Have you packed on extra pounds recently due to these crazy times? Don't despair. I'm here to help. Gaining weight is a major health concern. It plays a role in everything from heart disease to diabetes and even mental health. But knowing the root causes of weight gain is truly essential. So how do you become a healthy weight? Well, eating right, exercising may not be enough. You need the right tools. That's where a medical weight loss program comes in. Counseling, supplements, weight loss medication, and especially getting to those root causes, hormones, can be the jump start you need to lose weight. A medical weight loss plan can be your answer. And once the weight is off, it should stay off, so you can feel healthy and fabulous again.